Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. See what is going on in Abuja protests. Just in, let the poor breed. Organized labor begins protests in Abuja, Lagos, and others. Now in Abuja, you can see soldiers all over the place, and this is causing massive reaction because this is, Nigerians are expecting, that things should be done decently and in order. However, this is not what, people really thought about, because right now the government are trying to ensure that the people, do anything that could jeopardize Tinubu's position. Okay, anything that would jeopardize Tinubu's position, and this is what is going on. So it is very, very unbecoming. Labour gave Tinubu some terms, and this is what is happening. Saying we cannot continue like this. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Let the poor breed. Organized labor begins protests in Abuja. See what Nigerian police are doing. The Nigerian Labour Congress (NLC) and other organized union have begun peaceful protests in Abuja and Kano, Lagos to demonstrate the recent hike in fuel price and the government failure to resolve other anti-practices. In Abuja, NLC President Joe Ajari led a crowd of protesters to the Unity Fountain where they chanted the slogan and carried placards demanding that the government reverse the fuel price hike and address rising cost of living Nigerians are going through right now. They were military personnel placed all over the place. In Abuja, the issue of police and the way they stood all over, making it look like a threat, has continued to make the people feel very threatened. Speaking in Abuja, Joe Abare said, protesters have taken off all the streets and all the states, beating some had hindrances in some places. We are aware of the police efforts to stop the protests and do everything they can in the process to ensure that the environment is free and nobody talks about any form of protest, but you cannot hold us down. To be candid with it, nothing is stopping the protests based on response from all state governments. It is equally our determination whether to protest for today, tomorrow, or next. No one can stop us. Nothing by force is going to stop the people from expressing how they feel. We are here to protest peacefully, to make a statement to the government of Nigeria that this cannot continue. In Kano, Lagos, and other major cities, organized labor union also took to the streets to protest the fuel price hike and other government policies. The protests in Abuja, Lagos, and Kano are part of the nationwide day of action organized by the Nigerian Labour Congress and Trade Union Congress of Nigeria to pressure the government to address the concerns of hike of price of fuel due to the fuel subsidy removal. No concrete words has been said. People are genuinely suffering. So this is what is happening. People are really suffering. It's not because somebody feel like saying a word. That's the truth. People are suffering, and guess what? Tinubu he released a statement, and really, if you ask me, that statement is nothing was addressed to minimum wage. We're talking about you increasing the price of fuel without considering that people are living. You did not consider that people are living, and that they need life. You did not consider that things have to change. There was nothing in consideration to the people whatsoever. It's wrong. It's wrong. You can't do that. You can't put people in jeopardy and expect that, everything will just fall in place. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't. It doesn't work that way. So people are suffering. Things are happening. But guess what? It's as though, nothing is going on. We can't continue like this. No, we can't. We just can't continue like this. We want this this nation to be for, to be for everybody, not for some people, not for some people who think that they can have their way and nobody can speak. What is wrong is wrong. What is wrong is wrong. There's no other name for it. If it is wrong, it's wrong. So these are some of the issues that are going on right now, and we all can see. So in Abuja, in Lagos, in other places, the protest has begun and is going on, and everybody's watching, and people really want, this to come to an end, so that together we can make, a real statement out there that can channel the course of this nation in the right direction. We are tired of the same thing. We are tired of what has been keeping us down. Every single person knows that this country, we should move. Every single person is aware. Every single person knows exactly what is going on. And so we can't continue like this. We're tired of the same thing over and over again, where people are suffering and the government seem to have a blind eyes, pretending that they are not aware. It's wrong. So these are some of the things that are happening right now. And Nigerians are all out there in Lagos, Abuja, Kano, and expressing how they feel. If Ganduje was still there, I can assure you that he will not allow any form of protest in Kano State. But thank God he's not the one there. And so Nigerians are free to express themselves. So this is what is happening. And this is why, we all must continue to speak out and end the reign of evil manipulation ongoing in our society, so that Nigeria can be free and truly we can make a whole lot of difference and make the life of people better. The issue is that everything that we know about up until now is gradually changing. So what are we doing? And are we ensuring that that same thing is not being transferred, to people out there, that the truth is being manifested? What are we doing? What are we doing to end this? What are we doing to end this? So this is part of what is going on and why every single one of us must ensure that we do the right thing. Yes? So please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. Let's speak out and ensure that our people are restored and that this nation become what it should be. Nigerians are tired of the same thing over and over again, the same government. Bye.